To customize Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with unique color based on wallpaper with color palette, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap wallpaper and style. Next, tap color palette. To use this feature, first you have to enable it by tapping the gray on offset next to color palette. In the wallpaper colors tab, you can see that you are provided with some color palette with unique color based on your wallpaper. Tap the desired color palette that you like to use. As now, while selecting the palette, you can see how the selected color palette will look like if it's applied to your phone by seeing the preview at the top of the screen. If needed, you can swipe the color palette section to the right to see more color palette available. Here, you can also choose to apply the selected color palette to your app icon. To do so, tap the gray on offset next to apply palette to app icon. If you are satisfied with your selection, tap apply button. You can see that the selected color palette has been applied to app icons, to buttons, to the menus, and apps throughout your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.